What's going on, guys? Back for another video. Either Jackson here. Today we're going to be doing another fidget spinner video. As you see, I got my fidget spinner right here. Pretty addicting thing to use. I know, I already made 2 videos of a fidget spinner, a skull one, and this one, but I'm doing another one. I don't really know why, though, but yeah, I'm going to try to do something quick. Guys, that was crazy. Where'd the fidget spinner go? Instead of freaking away, I just lost the fidget spinner. I lost the fidget spinner. I'm gonna go ahead in the video and try to find it. After 17 minutes of looking, I finally found it. It was under. Hold on, let me show you what it was under. It was under this big giant thing. So yeah. Ha ha ha. There. So yeah, here's the fidget spinner. We can balance it, do some tricks on it, which I can't do this trick anymore. Yeah, this is the fidget spinner. I'm going to try to make it go super fast. You guys don't know how fast this is going. Oh my god, that hurt my face. Oh, my hair is very crazy, guys. That's why I'm wearing a hat, if you guys don't. But I have this. Hold on. Yeah, my fidget spinner. So, scissors. I'm going to try to do some tricks with the scissors. With the fidget spinner, with the scissors. I don't know if that makes sense. Ah! I just stabbed my freaking self in the hand. Hold on, let me open the fidget spinner real quick. Okay, got that part off. Hold on, guys. Okay, guys, I got it off. These parts out of the middle of the fidget spinner. It still goes perfectly fine with the middle out. But slower. So I'm going to be doing some tricks with the fidget spinner. With the scissors. That doesn't make any sense. Mother freaker. It won't go in. Okay. As you see, if I hold the fidget spinner upside down by the scissors, it just falls off. There's this other way you could do it. Now it doesn't fall off. If you know how I'm doing that, please comment down below. And if you do, you'll win a fidget spinner. So yeah, that's enough. Oh wait, I want to do one more thing with the scissors and the fidget spinner. Hold on. Oh, freak, where'd it go? Where'd it go? Oh, freak, hold on. Hold on, I'm gonna have to cut it in the video. I just freaking dropped it. Finally, after an hour of looking, I finally found it. It was under my dresser the whole time. It makes me so mad at me. Okay, well, I'm gonna put the middles back in. So that's pretty much all the time we're going to have today in today's video with the fidget spinner. Hope you guys enjoyed. Smash that like button. Subscribe if you're new. Put a comment down below saying, I subscribe and you will win a fidget spinner. So yeah, see you guys later. Peace out. Okay, peace out.